Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a pretty quick video about how we remodeled the jackknife sofa in our Ember 201 FBQ. So longtime viewers know that we've been traveling the country in our travel trailer for over 2 years now. And for all that time we've used the jackknife sofa, but Tony Joy had in her mind of changing it one day. So she started seeing on various Facebook forums people doing exactly that, remodeling the jackknife sofa. So if somebody sees this and this was their idea first, cheers to you. The first step was just to dismantle the jackknife sofa, so taking out all the cushions and getting rid of all the hardware. And we were left with an empty baseboard, a dirty empty baseboard. Most of the items that we use for this are from Amazon, so I'm gonna put affiliate links in the video description if you so choose to use them. The new mattress is from Amazon and pretty inexpensive, and I have to say pretty darn comfortable. The back cushions, we just use foam that you can get from, say, at Michael's, cut them down to size and put on covers. And those covers are from Amazon too. Now, once the bed was in place, we started having problems with condensation. So we'd lift up the mattress and there'd be water on the baseboard. Other people who have done this remodel have put plywood down. I was hesitant to do that just because it's adding more weight. So we came up with somewhat of a unique idea, I think, which was to put down a thin layer of foam. Now this is foam that you normally use for, say, a gym floor. So it's shock absorbent. It's very thin, very lightweight, and we cut it down to size and we put it on the baseboard and then the mattress. But it didn't completely eliminate the condensation problem. So we went on Amazon and we specifically searched for something that's made to help fight condensation. And we found this item that's designed to go under RV mattresses. So we cut it down to size and we put that on top of the foam. And so far it has worked beautifully, no more condensation. By the way, that gym foam, since we had spare left over, we put it in other areas of the RV that we thought might help, considering it's shock absorbent. So I put it in one of the cubbies since I have items in there and I thought maybe it would help keeping the cold air out. And then we also put it in the pass-through so that we could put some heavy items on top of it to help prevent things from shifting around in transit and causing damage. And it's worked really well in that application too. So here's the final look at what the sofa looks like now, or the daybed, or whatever you want to call it. If you're thinking of doing something similar, I say go for it. As always, thanks for watching.